What's up, beautiful people? This is Yash Atishay, and today I'm talking to you. Yes, you, the small-time entrepreneur. Also to the big-time entrepreneur. Also to a business owner. Also to a freelancer, or maybe just someone who wants to start his or her own YouTube channel but doesn't know how to get started. If you said that you don't know that videos are really important for your business, they can really help you get more traction, more eyeballs than anything else, I'll assume that the rock under which you're living is pretty fucking huge. But I'm sure it isn't. But then I'm also very positive that most of you are not making videos despite you know you should be. Oh, then what gives, right? There's a lot of reasons. There could be that, you just feel the whole task. It's very complex, very big, very daunting. You're just intimidated by the size and the scale of things. Or maybe you don't have the money, you don't have the capital right now to go on and get a professional videographer. Or maybe you're not sure if you should trust someone with your money and with your time, right? Well, a lot of my friends ask me way too often, Yash, do you think this is a good idea? This is a good idea. Should I do this? Will that video work? Should I get this camera? Should I edit on that laptop? Dang it! So I decided to answer all of these questions once and for all. And in this series, I'm going to help you to make your own videos. I'm going to make it really easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So follow me on this ride. This is going to be a weekly upload schedule. New videos will be added every Saturday morning. Make sure you hit subscribe so that you don't miss on any one of those. Until the next Saturday, this is Yash reminding you to stay awesome.